The 2025 Honda Passport is set to make a bold statement in the midsize SUV market, offering a perfect combination of performance, practicality, and comfort. With a fresh redesign and substantial upgrades, the Passport is aimed at drivers looking for a versatile vehicle that can conquer both city streets and rugged terrains with ease. One of the standout features of the 2025 Passport is its engine options. The model comes equipped with an upgraded V6 engine that promises a thrilling driving experience, delivering plenty of power and torque for a sporty yet smooth ride. Honda is also introducing a hybrid version, catering to eco-conscious drivers who want to reduce emissions and increase fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. This hybrid model will blend the Passport's well-known capability with greener technology, making it an ideal choice for today's environmentally aware drivers. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling dirt roads, the Passport's powertrain options ensure it remains adaptable to different driving conditions. Its strong performance and advanced engineering make it equally competent in handling urban commutes and off-road adventures, giving you the confidence to explore new destinations with ease. Inside the 2025 Passport, you'll find a spacious and luxurious cabin designed for maximum comfort on long trips. High-quality materials and thoughtful design touches create an inviting atmosphere for both the driver and passengers. The ample cargo space, combined with adjustable seating options, makes this SUV a top choice for family vacations and extended road trips. Whether you need to pack for a weekend getaway or load up on groceries, the Passport's versatile interior can handle it all. In terms of exterior design, the 2025 Honda Passport strikes a balance between style and functionality. Its modern headlamps, large grille, and sturdy body give it an assertive and bold presence on the road. Aerodynamic improvements not only enhance its visual appeal, but also contribute to better fuel economy. This is a vehicle that stands out in city traffic and seamlessly transitions into off-road adventures. The Passport's robust construction ensures durability, whether you're navigating urban environments or taking on more rugged terrains. Its ability to excel in both areas makes it a top contender for those looking for a vehicle that can adapt to different lifestyles and needs. With its upgraded features, spacious interior, and innovative powertrain options, the 2025 Honda Passport is designed to cater to a wide range of drivers. It offers the perfect mix of power, comfort, and versatility, making it a strong contender in the midsize SUV category. If you're excited to learn more about the latest automotive trends and upcoming models, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay informed and never miss an update on the most exciting cars hitting the market.